style nyo, ha? Very good. Alam nyo bang 4 na araw na tong box na to at hindi ko na o-open kasi busy daw ako. Hindi na ako magpapaka-aesthetic unboxing, guys. So, ayan siya. Tada! Ay, ganda ng packaging. I miss this. I miss sharing skincare videos with you guys. Surely na talaga, ang next kong ita-try is yung Probiotica Intense Ampule. So, I can attest to that and hindi ako takot na mag-recommend sa inyo with these products kasi subok ko na talaga siya for, I think, 2 years na, mahigit, of using these products pag wala akong nire-review. Hey guys, beautiful day. Na-miss ko kayo. Yes, na-miss kong mag-film in a landscape mode. I mean, nag-film naman ako ng landscape, but in-edit ko siya into a portrait form of video. Kagaya na lang ng mga mini vlogs ko from Thailand na wala naman kayong pakialam kasi mas pinapanood nyo tong mga beauty videos, skincare-related contents. And today is another skincare-related content. Kaya bare face pa tayo. Yes, nag-toner na po ako using the Madagascar Centella from Skin 1004, which is the toner version of this one. This one is the oil cleanser, which is gamit na gamit ko lalo na when I rinse my face na may makeup. So this one really works well. Gentle exfoliation and nakukuha talaga yung mga deep-seated dirt sa ating mga pores. And I think ito na yung pangatlong bottle ko at nakakahalahati na ako. With the toner, marami na guys. I think na-mention ko in my previous short review, mini review of Skin 104 Centella products. Actually, marami na akong Skin 104 Centella products na na-review in my YouTube channel because halata naman, kahit hindi ko sila nakakolab sa lahat ng mga nakolab kong skincare brand, yung gustong brand ko na Korean brand is hindi ko pa talaga nakakolab. Bakit ganun, guys? At marami ko nang nabili sa inyo. Makipag-collab naman kayo sa akin. Kahit once lang or twice. Kung gusto nyo many times, pwede na rin. Now, I'll be continuing my skincare. Dahil nakapag-cleanse na ako, nakapag-toner na ako, I'll be using this, one of these 2 products. So, this one is the Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule in 100 ml. Yes, 100 ml na. Kasi effective to guys. Mabilis tong magpa-recover ng skin. Lalo na kapag medyo nag-tan ka at medyo nainitan ka. But today, I will not use this one. I will be using this one instead. This is a light gel cream for pore minimizing. Yan. So, this is the gel version. Merong ampule version na pore minimizing. But today, ito muna. Ang aking skin ay combination, oily, acne prone, at may pagka-dry ako dito banda. Yung T-zone ko oily at chin area. Ba't ganun guys, no? Hindi na lang lahat oily or hindi na lang lahat dry. Acne prone din ako, especially sa mga times na sunod-sunod ang aking pag-makeup at hindi ko na-rinse well. Kaya nagkaka-acne ako. And also, from time to time, nagkaka-hormonal acne ako because of having menstruation or sometimes stress lang talaga. Ayun. Now that I'm done putting on a moisturizer for minimizing gel on my face, let's move on to sunscreen. Yung ginagamit kong sunscreen pala is this one from Face Republic. It is the Purity Sun Essence SPF 50 PA+++ at pat na plus. But guys, this one is sinok na, ubos na. That's why I am unboxing another product from Skin 104. Wait. Una kong na-try yung sunscreen nila, yung sachet na version. Kasi pag bibili ka ng mga products from Skin 104, palaging may freebie na sachet version. So, in a way, nata-try natin yung ibang products ni Skin 1004 without us even buying. Style nyo, ha? Very good. Ayan. Let's open. I told you, there's freebies right, guys. Alam nyo bang 4 na araw na tong box na to at hindi ko na o-open kasi busy daw ako. Ayan. Oh! Ang dami, guys. 1, 2, 3 card pala to. 4, 5, 6, 7. Ang dami. Hindi ko ba nga naubos yung previous eh. So, I have right here for minimizing fresh ampule. Ayan. I love this. I have new sachet versions for traveling. Ayan. Na-try ko na to. This one. The one I shared to you. And also, we have cleansing for minimizing cleansing foam. Oh! Now, I can try. Then, I have this one. Tea Tree Sun Milk. This is clarifying care. Okay. This is a cream type. Ayan. Uy, kompleto guys ha. Eto, I want to try this in a bigger packaging. Na-try ko siya with this sachet version as well. Or sample version. This one is the Skin Barrier Care Probiotica Sun Ampule. Ayan. This is with SPF 50. PA+++. So, this one's in the morning. Meron din silang eto. Probiotica Intense Ampule for the nighttime. Ayan. Meron din cream nito, guys. Another one is the Pore Minimizing Light Gel Cream, which is this one, yung tube version. Ayan. So, natry ko na to. And lastly, here is the Light Cleansing Oil, which is this one. So, ang binili ko talaga is 3 items lang. But, meron pa akong isang freebie na Daily Care Ampule, which is the Calming and Hydrate, yung Centella Ampule na talaga nila. So, ito talaga yung una ko na-try sa lahat ng products ni Centella. At ito rin yung una kong ni-review. Ayan. This one, ayan, mini version, travel size. I love it. Toner. Yeah, I have the toner. Yan, the toner. And we have another one, the Ampule Foam. Not my first time to try because nakabili na ako nung mini version niya. Yung travel size. Kasi I bought also before. Ayan, open natin. Hindi na ako magpapaka-aesthetic unboxing, guys. So, ayan siya. This one contains 200 ml? No, 125 ml only. But guys, this goes a long way. Kasi pag nag-cleanser ka naman, hindi ka naman gagamit ng sobrang dami. Diba? So this one, abang lang to guys. Meron pa ako konti. This one, abang lang din. Meron pa akong konting cleanser na naiwan. Tada! Hindi ko to planong bilhin, pero dahil sa mga sample ni Skin 1004, nagustuhan ko siya. At pinagamit ko sa husband ko one time. And sabi niya, ito yung cleanser na pinagamit mo sa akin na maganda. Kasi hindi masyadong basa. Hindi rin masyadong sticky. At maganda yung feel niya sa mukha. O, diba? Nag-review siya. So, Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Water Fit Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++. Ayan, guys! I love it! Okay. This one contains 50 ml only. Ayan. Ganda ng packaging. At dahil hindi pa ako nag-sunscreen, magsa-sunscreen tayo using this one. Alcohol muna tayo. Kasi dami natin hinawakan. So, yung binili ko talaga is only cleanser, toner, and this sunscreen. But, meron akong a total of 9 freebies. Diba? 9 freebies, guys. San ka pa? And I only paid for a total of 1,500. 1,500 lang, guys, for 3 products because hindi lumalabas. because binili ko siya ng sale. Yun yun. Yun yung pinakamahalaga doon. Ay! I miss this. I miss sharing skincare videos with you guys. Yung simpleng video lang, yung ganito lang. Okay. O, diba? May glow agad. Glow na walang white cast. Oops. And this one's really nice under makeup. Kasi parang may instant makeup base ka na. May primer ka na. I love it. Nice. Nice talaga siya. Yun na guys. That ends my video. And surely na talaga, ang next kong ita-try is yung Probiotica Intense Ampule. Para sa gabi, may barrier repair ako. Iba ang kilig na naibibigay sa akin ng skincare. This is the only vice that I cannot stop. Ito na talaga yun. That's it guys. I'm happy with my purchases again. Sulit, effective, and maraming freebies. Who does not like freebies, diba? Again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Share this to your friends. Yung mga bago sa skincare, gustong mag-invest ng skincare, at natatakot bumili ng mga kung ano-ano lang. With Skin 1004, okay din siya for sensitive skin. So, I can attest to that, and hindi ako takot na mag-recommend sa inyo with these products kasi subok ko na talaga siya for, I think, 2 years na, mahigit, of using these products pag wala akong nire-review. Bye!